have developed a new technology for treatment of asbestos, generally asbestos-containing materials.
The Polish company's method sounds surprisingly simple. You just zap the asbestos in a compact microwave at around 1,000 degrees Celsius. Once cooked, it's harmless.
Our technology can be used in mobile system. It means that all machine can be installed inside of container and can be installed in place where we have these wastes. I think it's very important advantage. We do not need any transport of so dangerous wastes.
Aton HT's microwave technology could prove invaluable in Poland, where asbestos was widely used in construction until 1997.
The problem with asbestos is that it contains fibers. These fibers go into the organism and may cause cancer or other disease. During the process, we are changing the structure of the material. As you can see, there is no fibers inside, but it's still structure of mineral. So it's safe for environment and for people who are working with this material.
In Poland, around 15 million tons of asbestos can still be found in landfills, but not for much longer.
Instead of leaving the problem with fibers and the storage for the next generations, we can deal with asbestos with microwave thermal treatment technology.
The EU-driven project uses microwave technology to heat the asbestos evenly, meaning no fibers can escape. Once treated, the product that leaves the oven can be easily and safely reused.
Final product can be used for example, renovation of roads. It can be mixed with cement. We can produce some bricks or also mainly for renovation of roads. It means that technology is without any wastes at the end of process.